Hey everyone. So today we have released our manual gift card feature. A lot of customers has asked us to send a gift card to their customers, so we have added it. So let us see how we can basically send gift card to your customers as well. So firstly, go to the manual gift card section, and then you can see the list of the customers which you have given the gift card previously. So let us now go to the issue gift card button. Click on here. Make sure you have already set up your gift card email, okay, manual gift card email, so that the emails are sent properly to your customers. So let us search our first customer. That's me only. So I want to send gift card to this customer, and you can see that all the details are coming here: his customer ID, name, the total gift card which you have already sent to that customer using our automated gift card feature for buying stuff. And this is the manual gift card which which you have already sent to this customer, and the total gift card amount which is currently has been sent to this customer. So that's around 22,000 rupees. Okay, so let's now see what fields you have to fill in before sending the gift card. So firstly, type the email subject. You can use customer email, uh, customer name as a parameter, so that his name is sent in the email. And then type the body of the email. Hey, you are a valuable customer to us, hence a reward. Okay, so it's a fake thing. Okay, please do something creative here. Okay, and I want to send 1,000 rupees of gift card, and I want to expire this gift card after 1 month. If the customer hadn't used this, then he will not be able to use it after 1 month. And I want to give this as a reward. This is a valuable customer for internal purpose usage. Yeah. Now just send, hit send, and the gift card has been sent to your customer. Okay. As you can see that here's the gift card which has been sent just now, and the total balance is 1,000 rupees by 1,000 rupees. This customer has not used this gift card, and you can see all the previous gift cards which has been sent to this particular customer as well. So as you can see, I have sent these many gift cards to this particular customer, and the latest one is this. If you'll click here, you can see the reason and the note behind this particular gift card which you have sent to the customer. Now let us see if the email has came to my email box. As you can see, an email has been come. An email is here, and you can see hello Chirag Gupta, which was the customer name, a small gift from us. Hey, you are a valuable customer. This is the subject, this is the body of the email which you have given, and here is the title which you have given. And this is the gift card code which this customer can use, and by clicking here he will go to your store and can use your gift card as usual. So this was the feature which was very much requested by our customers. Hence, we have added this feature. It's completely free to use. Anybody can use it, even in free tier, any tier. So you don't need to spend money on those expensive gift card apps. They charge like $20, $30 for their minimum on their lowest plan. So hope you guys enjoy this feature, and we'll see you next time. Bye.